What's up, y'all? So right now me and Randy are looking at some potential shops. We came across this one. Not too shabby. It's just you know, for what we wanted. Yeah, it's not too bad. But this ceiling right here would have to go if we want to put a lift in here, but I don't even know how to you can. But if we had to get this, they want what, 600 a month?
Yeah, it's pretty big.
It's not bad. Like, this is something I can run like my Zosh FG out of without renovating, like doing the merchandise and everything here. Yeah, all it's gotta come off. That'd be way too much money. But he's gonna show us another one, a much bigger. Oh, he's already ready. He's gonna show us a much bigger one, and we're gonna see.
And this one is 700, right? This one is what, a month? Yeah. No, I think it's 12. Oh, it's 12.
Yeah, cause this is nice. Oh, you got two office things.
This is how much square foot? 14.
Oh, it is pretty big.
This goes up another 4 feet, so if you like put lifts in here or whatever,
damn.
You know, you can take the things out. You can just put out where the lift is, take out where the lift is, and it goes up to like another 4 or 5 feet.
So there's one that we're gonna come back in like 2 months to look at. Not 2 months, a month. It's a 700 square foot one without the wall, the one that I showed you previously. And we might just get that one if it's a good condition, like if it's a good space, it ain't like too run down. And it's far back like he said, so we ain't gotta worry about all these people over here and stuff. So we'll let you guys know if well, when the time comes. I'll keep you guys in the loop. 2 dudes in my comments and a guy texted me saying a junkyard local to me have 2 Integras on the yard. So me and Rand Daddy about to go oh yeah, happy Father's Day, bro. We're gonna go to the yard to see if we can get some speed sensors and a bumper for Christina. So that's the plans. Wanna play truth or dare? Haven't been to Snake Road in about a year. Yeah, it's been about 2 years since you last came here. Some people said there was an Integra on the yard, so hopefully they want bull snouting. Working on my cursing, bro. Junkyard's so unorganized, they don't have like a section where like, well, the Japanese vehicles would be. Found one Integra. This fender's actually not that bad, but I could just, and it's probably OEM too. It is OEM, but I can either buy one from eBay for like 50 bucks, but it's not that bad, bro. I mean, oh, it got damaged, never mind. Found another Integra, but it's not an OEM bumper, and it's already broken from here. But Randy did come across a speed sensor in that Civic over there, so at least I got my speed sensor problem fixed. And since I already got the harness coming in for this, I don't have to worry about cutting up the harnesses and stuff. No luck at the yard. There was 2 Integras like they said. There's one with a bumper on it, but it was broken. I did manage to get a VSS, which is a speed sensor.
It didn't even have the Integra logo.
Yeah, the bumper didn't even have the Integra logo, stamp on it or whatever, so it wasn't OEM. So the search continues. Wawa has this like flurry thing. It turned to a milkshake now, but bro, fired. And it's only $2. Can't beat it, bro. You gotta get in or what?
No, open my door.
Come on, man. I can't. Bro, this is so cool.
What, you can't see my hand?
Yeah.
How do I do it?
Face reveal at 2,000 likes. I'm kidding. You tell your son Happy Father's Day? Ray, what's up with the RS6, bro? What an update on the paint? Everyone's asking, yo, what's up with the RS6?
That shit out, this is quick save, bro. We not paying shit.
Yeah, we're not paint, we B-swapping it, bro. We did modification to the engine bay to where we could do a B-swap. This K-swap, this is going in a, nah, bro, something better than that. If y'all don't know, Randy has a GSR manifold on, that's why it's shaped like this. So we're gonna try to get him a Skunk 2 Pro Series or a B16 Type R manifold or a JDM Type R manifold so it can flip over. Yeah, bro. All this manifold does is give you torque, man. That's why we gotta, yeah, bro, this is a torquey manifold. So we're gonna get you a Skunk 2 Pro Series. Today, I'm gonna try to install, I'm gonna install my speed sensor and in hopes that it works. I hope that the speed sensor work. I'm also gonna adjust my, oh my God. The hell? I'm also going to be adjusting my clutch pedal because my clutch catches a little too high and your Boy, I don't really like that. Good Lord. I'm fetty whopping right now, bro. I'm fetty whopping. So this is my old speed sensor, and I don't know if you guys can look, but the middle plug is missing. And I got this one from the junkyard yesterday, and it's there. And I also have my cool little mounting bracket, which I should have got the bolt as well, but I didn't. I don't know if this rust thing on the tip of the speed sensor plays a difference, but this one's like all shiny, and then this one's all like whoop-de-whoop. Anyway, we're gonna install it, and then see what happens, and then I'm gonna adjust my pedal as well. But yeah, speed sensor is pretty easy. All you have to do is just insert this into the transmission and put the clip on, and that's it. Speed sensor is connected. Now let's fix this master in this 175-degree weather. To properly adjust my clutch pedal, I have to do this and this and this. Ah, it'll work. All right, so let's see if my speedometer works, playboy. Oh, I got bouncing needle action going on with my tack. See how it's bouncing?
They love me on my Ric Flair shit.
Let it warm up a little bit, and then we do I have a working speedometer? Nope. Okay, there's definitely something going wrong. Today I'm fixing my speedometer. All right, we're gonna check on data and see if my code came back for speed sensor. Nope, I have no code for it. I have no idea why it's not working. I got a brand new speed sensor. It looks better than my old one. I wouldn't say it's brand new, but come on, son. We're gonna fix it today, though. We're going to fix this today. My speed sensor connector was wired in when I got this harness, so I'm assuming that maybe one of the wires came loose during the process of removing the engine harness and stuff like that. So I'm gonna check the wires and make sure like nothing is out of the ordinary. Keep having to come out the shirt, man. It's so hot, bro. But hopefully I fixed it. I had a loose ground wire on it. Like I pulled it a little bit and it came loose, and it was soldered on, but I don't know. So let's go for a ride and see if I finally fixed it. I just want a speedometer, bro. That's all I want. Please work. No, it doesn't work. What? Why?
I'm sad. I'm so sad.
Doing further research, a lot of people having the same problems I'm having, where like their cluster mileage won't work. Like the whole speedometer thing is not working, and I did everything that they said to do, and come to find out, it could be the connector that plugs into the speed sensor. So gotta do another 25-minute road trip up to Stewart, pick up this speed sensor connector from the junkyard, cut it off and stuff, and then come home, do it, blah 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 blah. Yeah. Kudos and hats off to all the construction workers, city workers. I don't know how you guys do it, bro, but I got the piece that I need. Time to go home. God damn, it's hot. I couldn't be a slave. Escape? Hell no. Hi, I'm Jigaboo Jackson. What's the best way to cool off in this summer heat? That's right, a 16-ounce milkshake from Wawa for the cool $2.11. They got finesse, boy. I paid $2.11 for a milkshake, bro. Finesse, boys. Alright, let's try this again. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this pin, I think, is definitely the culprit. Like inside of it's very damaged. And then you got the new pin. So you guys can see the difference, hopefully. Hopefully this works, man. Hopefully this works. I'm just trying to see my miles per hours. All right, let's see if I finally fixed my issue. I don't have my phone to see if I have a check engine light on the Hyundai. Work! Alright, here goes nothing. Oh my god, it works! It works! It works! Oh, there's kids. I gotta do a pool. I gotta do a celebratory pool. I got a speedometer, bro. Yeah. So the connector was just yeah. Your boy finally fixed this damn issue. Now I have a working speedometer. And still no Type R cluster. 1 out of 2 ain't bad, bro. 1 out of 2 ain't bad. Car isn't warmed up, but I'll give y'all a little spool action. A little something. I got that on camera. Today was somewhat successful. I got my speed sensor to work, thank God. Now I have some good news for the rebuild of the Integra. I should be hopefully picking up a bumper tomorrow if everything goes well. And it comes with the lip, and I'm getting a super amazing deal on it. Like, bro, thank you guys so much for like looking out for me. It's giving me a great deal on it. If it goes through, then I'll, obviously film it and talk more about it and stuff like that. As far as headlights and fenders will be ordered. Headlight, I'm in the process of talking to somebody for those. So, the rebuild is coming, and I want to send a huge thank you and appreciation to the people that have ordered Make Christina Great Again slap sticker that I released. If you don't know, here it is on the screen. Each sticker sold is going straight into the Integra to make it great again. Yeah, man, so I just want to say thank you to everyone who placed an order. I know it's kind of hard to support people that aren't big, you know what I'm saying? Like, I get it. I honestly understand. Like, if I had like over 500,000 subscribers or 1 million subscribers, it'd be easier for me to sell out of stickers and stuff because people only support things that are huge. I do appreciate and send a massive thank you to the people that did order a sticker. Bro, I appreciate you. But that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you can, smash that like button for people. That'd be greatly appreciated. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.
To be